Hi everybody. Today we are going to start looking at our new genre of writing. So far we have covered recount writing when we write our news or write about something that's happened to us before. And we've also looked at narrative writing, which is creating stories and characters and settings when we were looking at our fairy tales. But for the next few weeks, we are going to look at informative writing and writing to inform. And in particular, we're going to look at report writing. And we are going to be working on writing reports about animals that live in the zoo. So, what is report writing? Report writing gives facts. It teaches people something new. They are interesting and they provide details. So when we're writing reports about animals, we need to make sure to give facts about the animal, to teach people something about the animal. We need to keep it interesting and provide details. So for today's lesson, we're going to look at the first part, give facts. And we need to know the difference between statements that are fictional and statements that are facts. So fiction is something that is make believe or imaginary. So sometimes you might read a story like Cinderella, and that's fiction. It's not true, it's make believe, it's imaginary. Where fact is something that is always true. So when you read your fact books about animals, they contain details that are true. And then opinion is something that you think or you feel. So again, facts are something that are always true. So you could say dogs have a tail, that's a fact. Fiction, this is something that is make believe or imaginary. So you could say something that might be fiction is that all dogs are pink with green stripes. That wouldn't be a fact, that's something that's make believe or imaginary. Where an opinion is something that you think or feel. So you might say, I love dogs. That's an opinion. It's not a fact, it's not fiction, it's something that you feel. Okay? So informative texts use facts. So what we're going to be working on is writing facts about animals we are learning about. So we're going to look at the next few slides and decide if the statements are fact or fiction. Okay. Pigs live on the moon. Hmm. Do you think this is real? Is it a fact or is it fiction? Yes, you're right. This is actually fiction. So we're going to put a pig with wings here because that is a fictional statement. It's not true. Okay, the next one. Grass is green. Yeah, I think that's a fact. So I'm going to give it a tick because grass is usually green. So that would be a good fact. Dogs have four legs. What do you think, fact or fiction? Yeah, you're right. That's a fact. So we're going to give that a fact. Let's do a few more. Humans lay eggs. Hmm, I don't think humans lay eggs. That is fictional statement. Okay, so we're getting the idea now of trying to differentiate between statements that are factual, which are true, and statements that are fictional. So let's try another one. Milk comes from spiders. That is a fictional statement, so that is not true. Elephants have 8 ears. That is also a fictional statement. Elephants only have 2 ears. Baby cats are called kittens. That's a good fact because that is true. Baby cats are called kittens. Fish have feathers. Hmm. Do you think fish have feathers? No, that is a fictional statement. And we'll do one more. There are 9 fingers on a hand. And again, this is fictional. So for today's activity, you are going to sort the statements into statements that are fact, which is true, and statements that are fictional, which are not true. You're then going to read the passage and then write 3 facts about the animal.